Hey everyone, welcome back. I've spent my career solving impossible operational problems, from managing supply chains for jet fighter reproductions and engineering national telecom networks to stabilizing hundreds of distressed real estate assets. I've learned that whether you're running a community care center or an AI platform, the patterns of inefficiency are identical. People and organizations tend to work through the pain instead of actually trying to solve it. Today, we're diving into something that hits different when you've actually built systems for a living. We already have antique AI, and it's only been about 18 months since ChatGPT exploded onto the scene. In the time most contractors finish a bathroom remodel, we've gone from mind blowing new technology to calling last year's models outdated. I'm Christopher Cooper, owner of OV Property Service and founder of ResiHub AI.com, a multi agent platform built specifically for property maintenance, remodeling, and the trades. I've been in tech and construction since before Windows 98 was a big deal. I've seen hype cycles come and go. Recently, I watched a video that nailed it. Billionaires have dumped something like $1 trillion into AI, yet a lot of people are still asking, where's the real proof it's delivering? That's exactly why I'm building ResiHub AI the way I am. Let's walk through the real history, era by era, and I'll show you why the fundamentals from 70 years ago still matter, and why most of the current hype is missing the point. This is Antique AI, 1950s to late 60s. In 1950, Alan Turing asks, can machines think, and proposes the Turing test. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence is born at the Dartmouth Conference. We saw early neural networks, Lisp, and Eliza, the first chatbot. The core ideas, neural nets, learning systems, intelligent agents, were laid down here. Every sci fi movie about thinking machines came from this era. These 1950s concepts are literally the foundation of what powers ResiHubAI.com today. My honey badger agent, Charles the Inspector, Hawk, and the rest of the crew. We're finally giving those old ideas enough real world data and compute to work on actual job sites. Vintage AI, 1970s to 1980s. Expert systems boomed, big money flowed in, and then the first AI winter hit because systems were brittle and expensive. This feels exactly like my old telecom days. Carrier backbones and multiplexers running on 1950s era designs with slightly better hardware. And this is where that $1 trillion video point hits hard. We're seeing echoes of the same hype and winter cycle today. Massive investment, but many tools still break on real world messiness. At ResiHubAI.com, we're building self healing, multi agent systems that learn from actual property service workflows instead of collapsing under edge cases. Classic AI, 1990s to 2010s. Deep Blue beats Kasparov. Watson wins Jeopardy, and in 2012, AlexNet proves deep learning at scale. Neural networks finally got the data and GPUs they needed. This quiet revolution is what let me move so fast, architecting the estimate builder, job tracking, predictive maintenance, and agent orchestration inside ResiHubAI.com. Modern AI 2022 onward. Transformers, ChatGPT, agents, multimodal models. The pace is insane. We're already calling 2024 models classic. But here's the $1 trillion question that video raised. After all that money, why do so many professionals still feel like they don't have much to show for it? A lot of the hype is delivering flashy demos, not reliable tools that make money on a job site or in a property portfolio. The craziest part? The fundamental ideas we're using, neural networks, learning from experience, intelligent routing, were invented in the 1950s. We just finally have the compute and data to make those old dreams practical. That's why I could build ResiHubAI.com at astronomical speed solo. I'm applying 70 years of hard lessons from telecom and construction, layered systems, real constraints, reliability under pressure. This isn't another hype tool. It's built for contractors, handymen, and property managers who need estimates that sync to the back end, agents that read and write real job data, predictive maintenance that actually predicts, and a parts marketplace that works. If you're tired of AI that sounds smart but doesn't deliver on the job site, head to resihubai.com and check it out. We're building for the trades. Drop a comment. What era of AI surprised you most? Have you seen the gap between AI hype and real results? What do you want ResiHub AI to tackle next? Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Let's build the future that actually works instead of just talking about it. I'll see you in the next one.